Hey, what's up YouTube? This is a 2020 Subaru Forester Touring, and this is the top of the line model. This is the best of the best that you can buy. It has the adaptive steering headlights that turn when you're turning the wheels at night, so you know the headlights are turning. Full LED light package with the fog lights are LED. It's got a couple little different kind of like chrome accents on the bottom, the bumper, fog light bezels, mirror caps, and along the casing here on the side. The rims are also a little chunkier and beefier, which I like. It looks really good. This one does have window tint. We've tinted it here at our dealership. You can also see some of that like silver down here at the bottom of this one too. So I just kind of want to like go over this. It's a really nice package. This one has the brown like saddle type Napa leather inside of the car. It's really, really nice. It's probably the nicest interior we have on the Forester. Super clean, super nice. You got heated seats in the back with 2 USB ports. It's all you need. Anyways, has the Harman Kardon sound system, which is amazing. If you're gonna get this package, it's totally worth the money. So let's hop in. Something I want to show you: when you start the car, the Touring does have the driver mitigation system, which is like an infrared, kind of like a radar scanner that scans your face. And it's not a camera, but it scans your face to make sure you're awake when you're driving, you're attentive, and it knows who's driving when you sit in the driver's seat. So if a different driver sits here who's a different height than another driver, it'll adjust the seat and the mirror settings so that it'll be tailored to that driver. It's pretty cool radar system. So when you start the car, it'll know who's driving, and a lot of the times you'll get a little green light here, like scanning radar kind of system. So this one is Apple CarPlay. It's all set up, ready to go. This does have heated front seats, heated steering wheel. So the Touring model has the full EyeSight package with blind spot detection, cross rear traffic alert. Of course it has the rear view camera, your standard EyeSight system, which I'm going to show you how that works real quick. So that's fully pegged. This is not a fast car by any means. So you turn on cruise control, turn on your adaptive, active lane centering, set it. And now it is watching the car in front of us. You'll see down here it says active. So now the car is driving itself. It's keeping the distance between the car in front of us. I can follow the car closer if I'd like with this down here. I just, bring them in a little closer. It's going to ask me to keep my hands on the wheel, which I'm not going to do yet. Sorry about that, I had the AC on a little strong. So now it's going to turn off the lane centering unless you put your hands back on, and now it's re-engaged. So that's kind of like a safety fail-safe system to make sure people are not driving these cars without their hands on the wheel. However, like in my Infiniti, it's a 2015 Q50S hybrid package, you can keep your hands off the wheel forever. And obviously I think companies probably had some litigation or some legal issues, and they decided to put that into cars, so now you have to keep your hands on the wheel. So the cool thing is too, the car will brake by itself. Look at it go, it's braking all by itself. And I get my foot on the brake now. So EyeSight is a great system for people who want to drive around and kind of not, get a little bit extra of a cushion if you're on road trips or something like that. I think it's great. You get that little almost like bumper effect when you're driving down the highway. It keeps you in the lines. It's great if you need to send a text message or something, or if you're distracted. And the great thing about the EyeSight system is it's got the pre-collision braking, so if someone were to cut you off or pull in front of you and they wrecked, EyeSight would actually slam on the brakes for you and prevent a collision. It's pretty awesome. So to kind of talk about the wheel's pretty nice. It's got decent little thumb grips. Pickup on this car is very, very average. This is just a 2.5 liter boxer engine, you know, the standard EJ. There's no turbo. The car is very, very comfortable though. So the car has an amazingly tight turning radius. Like, look at this thing. Like, amazingly tight. It's incredible. Little 40 turn. And we're still not at 60. Probably will never hit it. However, this car is very comfortable, very safe. It has plenty of headroom, like solid, I don't know, 6 inches above my head. It's awesome. I'm 6 foot and I am super comfortable in this car, whether I'm sitting in the front or the back. So this car does handle really well in turns. Also, the all-wheel drive system is on par with most Subaru products, probably, you know, up there a little more, because it's just, they've really redefined this whole platform in the last couple years. The refresh and everything new they did to the Forester. But it handles great. Just in turns and everything is very comfortable and confident. It's a solid machine. It takes the bumps and soaks them all up. And getting on the brakes, pretty solid. So the car does have an SI mode, SI drive, like a lot of the other Subarus. There's intelligent mode for the best gas mileage. Press the S here, that gets us into SI drive. It's supposed to be a little more torque. However, there we are, fully pegged. And we just hit 60. So nothing to brag about. All right, so sitting from the back seat, you can really see the like Pano style sunroof. It's not, you know, super huge. However, it's pretty awesome. I almost think it's better for the people sitting in the back seat because you can see so much, you can see out so much more than the people in the front seat. Like, people in the front seat really can't even see out of the sunroof. I really feel like the enjoyment of this is for the people back here, and that's totally worth it. I think it looks great. There's plenty of room back here. Again, like I said, I'm about 6 foot and I have plenty of room in the back seat, especially if I want to slouch. And also the back seats can recline if that's something that you want. So you really can't see it at night. However, the rear view camera is pretty solid and bright, much better than my Infinity's. Get back on it. If you're trying to merge on the highway, this might not be the car for you. This is a very comfortable car. It is just not a very fast car. Thank you all so much for joining me tonight on this quick look at a Subaru Forester Touring package. It's an awesome car. It'd be great with more horsepower. That's just really my bottom line. It's super nimble, super plush on road, has great tech features, an awesome stereo, Apple CarPlay, beautiful leather seats, an awesome sunroof. You know, I just feel like if this car had a little more power, it really would like knock it out the park in a lot of different segments. It'd really just take it to the next level. I think it's a great car to drive. It's an awesome car for enthusiasts who want to get out there, kind of be active, have an awesome road traveling machine to kind of hit the road with. I think this would be the ride for you. So again, thank you so much for joining. If you like this content, please drop a like down below, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That way you get notified when my new videos come out. I hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you soon. Peace out.